Okay, just wanted to do a quick walk around video of our trailer that we're selling. It's a 2013 Rockwood Signature Ultra-Lite fifth wheel. It's the bunkhouse model with the large outdoor kitchen. Let's do a quick walk around. So it's got a nice LED light up front here for hooking up. Light on the other side, large storage area. We have a high capacity battery and a trickle charger that's hooked up to a solar panel to charge it back up. You have the electric landing gear up front, control for the light up front. On the exterior of the trailer, you've got nice frameless windows. We've got one large propane tank on each side of the trailer, so there's two of those. We pass through storage area. This is a barbecue that goes on the back by the outdoor kitchen, along with the full-size spare tire. It's in great shape, and its plastic cover if you choose to mount it on the back. I'll try to keep it inside to keep it out of the elements. Got the outside shower with the shower head that pulls out hot and cold water. The water connections for city water, the middle one for winterizing it, and the bottom one for cleaning out the septic tanks when you drain them. This is the main slide. On the inside of that you have a couch and the dinette area. The storage compartment goes in under the dinette, so it terminates there and there. Can't quite see in there very good, but it does go under there a bit. It's a storage there. That's the rain gutter extensions on all the rain gutters. So we hook up for the electrical 30 amp service, as well as the cable TV hookup. Back of the trailer, we have the roof that comes down. It's seamless right here. It just kind of rolls off. It's a continual piece. Water leaks. It also has that door, that access door for the storage. It's a nice 2-inch receiver hitch we installed last year with the light hookup for double pulling. Down this side, right here's the large outdoor kitchen with the rain gutter extensions up top. There's the awning. It has a protective cover over the last 12 inches or so. That's a hard surface, so the awning isn't exposed to sun rot and wearing out, so it protects the awning. Here's the nice outdoor kitchen. Swing this rain burners out, so we have the two burners here on the cooktop. Nice size sink, a couple cupboards, a microwave, good size fridge. This fridge runs off electric only, does not run off propane. Little storage drawer. In there's a little table that's upside down right now, but it mounts on this outside rail here. Also the barbecue mounts on that rail. The little round hole here is a hookup for the propane for the barbecue. So that just hooks into the main hose for the main propane tanks for the trailer. With the electrical outlet, here's power rear leveling jacks. One other thing in this outdoor kitchen, look up here, we've got a handle, pull that down, got a TV that slides down if you get bored while you're out cooking. Close this back up. Has outdoor speakers, the exhaust for the cooktop, another frameless window. Got the water heater right here. It's a dual electric and gas water heater. The little electrical switch is right up in there. I always pull the drain plug when I winterize it. Trailer's fully winterized right now. It's the Diamond package, which is Forest River's top of the line. All the bells and whistles. Go inside real quick. Alright, so let's turn on some lights. We walk in, there's a little subwoofer down there on that bottom drawer or bottom cover, some storage, TV, got your thermostat. Right over here as you come in the door, you have all your controls. It does have heated sewer tanks. Above that, another storage compartment. Some lights here. So we have this large catalytic heater that was put in it. It's an aftermarket accessory. That puts out a ton of heat and warms this up really fast. So you've got the sink with the faucet that pulls out. You've got the solid surface countertops. 3-range cooktop there. These come out. Nice deep sink on both sides. Microwave. Bunch of cupboards up above there. I come over to more storage. Come down, we got the nice freezer on top. Fridge on bottom. More storage over here. That's where we keep our trash can out of the way. This is the bunkhouse area. There is a door that goes over that, but we pulled it off because we didn't like it. We still have the door and we can put it back on if you want it. A little chest of drawers there for the kids to put their stuff on. And top bunk goes all the way across. Come over to some storage along this back wall. That goes back in. There's another bed there. Up above. And then the bottom bunk. That goes back in over there. Has a nice large U-shaped dinette. Lots of room to sit everybody around the table. That table folds down for while you're driving. Nice couch. The couch folds out into a bed. Has an inflatable mattress. Head upstairs. Come upstairs here. This is the front bedroom. This is the slide out over here where the closet is. Nice full-size queen bed. It's not an RV queen, it's a full-size queen with reading lights, lots of storage. And another TV up here. Looking back towards the main area, you see a storage compartment as you come down the hallway. Full length, there's that catalytic heater right on the back side of the sink. Got a full-length storage in the bathroom here. Nice porcelain toilet. A nice good-sized shower. Pretty good-sized shower. A bunch of storage underneath, and a sink, and a medicine cabinet up above. Has one last thing, one of the fantastic fans in the bathroom that really pulls the air through and gets a lot of airflow through here on hot days and really cools it down. There's a ceiling fan up above as well. Alright, so that's a quick walkthrough of our 2013 Rockwood camping trailer made by Forest River. It is the 8286 WS model with the diamond package. So let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for viewing the video.